How to fix Facebook not opening. In today's video I will show you guys how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly in open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook, scroll down and click on storage and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop. And what's next guys, you have now to go to this option here, battery, and you have to click on optimize it, and after this go and restart your phone and your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.